Welcome to all students. In this class, you can see some problem about determinant. The problem is given on this board. The problem is given that prove that. Means we have to prove a determinant as 5x plus 4 equals minus 4 whole square. Means the determinant can be proven. Prove that the determinant element has x plus 4, 2x and 2x. The second row 2x, x plus 4 and 2x. And the third row 2x, 2x and x plus 4 and it will be equal to 5x plus 4 into x minus 4 whole square. To proving this problem, we have to operate some operations. Means we have to use some properties of the determinant. Now we can use row operation of this determinant. According to row operation, the first row can be interchanged into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Means the all rows can be added from the determinant in the first row. Then the determinant of LHS, therefore determinant of LHS, we can get x plus 4 and 2x plus 2x. 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x again. 2x and x plus 4. Second row is same 2x. Third row is also same x and x plus 4. Then the first row can be written as 2x plus 2x, 4x and 5x. This 5x plus 4. In the second element, it is also 5x plus 4. It is also 5x plus 4. The second row, 2x, x plus 4 and it is also 2x. The third row, 2x and x plus 4. The all elements of first row are same. Hence, we can take common 5x plus 4 from the first row. Take common 5x plus 4 from first row, means R1. Then the determinant can be written as 5x plus 4 into 1, 2x and 2x. It is also 1 x plus 4 and 2x. 1, 2x and x plus 4. Now we can use the next property. First column can be subtracted from second column and second column can be subtracted from third column. Now C1 is changed into C1 minus C2 and C2 is changed into C2 minus C3. Therefore, determinant can be get 5x plus 4 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 it is also equal to 0. 2x minus x minus 4. 2x minus x minus 4 means 2x minus x minus 4. In this, x plus 4 minus 2x and 1 2x. Now, to the second row, 2x minus 2x and 2x minus x minus 4 and it is x plus 4. x plus 4, 0, 0, 1. 2x minus x means x minus 4. Okay. 2x minus x means minus x plus 4. It is 2x. It is 0. 2x minus x minus 4 means x minus 4. And it is x plus 4. Now, we can take common x minus 4 from first column and x minus 4 from second column. Then the determinant, take x minus 4 from C1 and x minus 4 from C2. Then determinant can be get 5x plus 4 into x minus 4 from first column and also x minus 4 from second column. Then determinant will be 0, 1 and 0. 0 from this minus 1 and 1. 1, 2x and x plus 4. Now, we can extend this determinant by R1 according to extending the determinant by R1. Then determinant can written as x plus 4 into x minus 4 whole square into 0 into corresponding determinant equal to 0 minus 0 into corresponding determinant it is also 0 plus 1 into corresponding determinant 1 minus 1 and 0 1. This 5x plus 4 into x minus 4 whole square and it is 0 plus by cross multiplication 1 minus 1 minus 0 and it is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4 whole square into 1 it is equal to 5x plus 4 and x minus 4 whole square and the RHS is in the next problem, we have to prove that the given determinant x plus y, x plus 2y, x plus 2y, x and x plus y, x plus y, x plus 2y and x is equal to 9y square into x plus y. To proving this problem, we have to use some property of determinant. We can use some operation, means row operation or column operation on this determinant. The determinant of LHS is taken as delta and this determinant is equal to x, x plus y and x plus 2y. X plus 2y, x and x plus y. It is x plus y, x plus 2y and x. Now, first row R1 is changed into R1 plus R2 plus R3. With first row, second row and third row are added together and it is written as on the place of first row. Then the determinant of LHS can be written as x plus x means 3x. Y plus 2y means 3y. X plus x 3x plus 3y. Similarly, in this 3x plus 3y. The second row is x plus 2y, x and x plus y. It is also x plus y, x plus 2y and x. It is a determinant in the first row. All the elements of first row are 3x plus 3y. Hence, we can take common 3x plus 3y from row first. Take common 3x plus 3y from first row means R1. Then determinant can begin as 3x plus 3y and determinant 1, 1 and 1, x plus 2y, x and x plus y, x plus y, x plus 2y and x. Now we use the other properties, is other operation C1 minus C2 and C2 minus C3. First column can be separated from second column and second column is separated from third column. Therefore, the determinant it is equal to. Now, C1 is changing into C1 minus C2 and C2 is changed into C2 minus C3. Then the determinant can be get 3x plus 3y into 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 it is also 0, it is 1. X plus 2y minus x. X plus 2y minus x. In this x minus x minus y, it is x plus y. In this x plus y minus x minus 2y x plus y minus x minus 2y, x plus 2y minus x and x. The determinant can be written as 3 common 1 x plus y into determinant 0, 0, 1, x and x can cancel, x and x also cancel. In this x cancelled and it is x cancelled. Therefore, 2y minus y, x plus y minus 2y, 2y and x. So 2y plus y it is equal to 3y. 2y plus y. This y. 2y. Minus y is minus y. 2y and 3y. 2y is it is minus y. It is minus y, 2y and minus y. Now we can extend this determinant by R1 by extending by R1, then determinant will be equal to 3 into x plus y into 0 into corresponding determinant is 0 minus 0 into corresponding determinant is 0 and plus 1 into corresponding determinant 2y minus y and minus y and 2y. It is equal to 3 into x plus y and the determinant can be written as by cross multiplication 4 4 2 2 4y square. minus y into minus y means plus y, means plus y square, it is equal to 3x plus y into 4y square minus y square. It is 3x plus y into 3y square. It is equal to 9y square into x plus y, and RHS will come. The next problem shown on the board such that b plus c, a minus b and a, c plus a, b minus c and b, a plus b, c minus a and c. It has to prove that 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. To proving this problem, we can also use row and column operation, or row operation or only column operation. Let the determinant of LHS is denoted as delta, and delta is equal to b plus c, a minus b and a, c plus a, b minus c and b, a plus b, c minus a and c. Now apply C1. Applying C1 is changed into C1 plus C2, and C2 is changed into C2 minus C3. Then the determinant can written as b plus c plus a minus b, a minus b minus a and a, c plus a minus plus b minus c, b minus c minus b and b, a plus b minus plus c minus a and c minus a minus c and c. B and B cancel, C and C cancel, A and A cancel. In this, A and A cancel, B and B cancel, C and C cancel. Then we can take the determinant A plus C is A plus C, A plus B and B plus C. In this, minus B minus C and minus A, B and C. Now C1 is changed into C1 minus C3. Then the determinant can written as A plus B minus A plus B minus B and B plus C minus C. It is minus B minus C minus A, B and C. Then the determinant can written as, the determinant is equal to A and A cancel, B and B cancel, C and C cancel. It is CAB and minus B minus C and minus A, B and C. Now we can use A1 plus R1 is changed into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now R1 is changed into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then determinant, it is equal to A plus B plus C minus of A plus B plus C, and it is also A plus B plus C. A and B minus C minus A, B and C. Then the determinant, take common A plus B plus C from R1. Then determinant, it is equal to A plus B plus C and into 1 minus 1 and 1. A minus C and B minus A and C. Now C1 is changed into C1 plus C2 and C3 is changed into C2 and C3 plus C2. Then determinant, it is equal to A plus B plus C and it is 0 and A minus C and B minus A and it is equal to minus 1 C and it can C2 plus C3. Then determinant, it is 0 B minus C, C minus A, 1 B and C. Now extend this determinant by R1. By extending by R1, then determinant, it is equal to A plus B plus C and it is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 1 into A minus B, B minus C, B minus A and C minus A. By extending these two expression, the result can taken easily. A minus C into C minus A minus B minus A into B minus C, and the result can taken in easy way. In the next class, we can see some more problems of determinant.